Now I only have two books because I am missing one more, and is Albert the Alphabetical Elephant, which I'm hoping to get that book sometime. Once I get that book, I'll have all the books completed. But I'm just gonna show what I have as of right now, which I only have two. So let's begin. First one is Countworm. Originally released in 1976, but this is a reprint from, as you can see, this is a reprint from Corset and Dunlap. Yeah, I need to get Albert the Alphabetical Elephant sometime. It's purchased from the library. Due on September 11, 2017. This is the 2017 reprint, an American release. Go flip to this quickly. And I have all the Mr. and Little Miss books on the set. Which, I want to get the original UK release of Little Miss Chatterbox from 1984. Which I do have the American copy, but I want to get the UK copy that is original. I also want to get the original UK version of Little Miss Giggles from 1984, the vintage release. The vintage copy of Mr. Messy from the 70s, the original 1981 release of Little Miss Naughty, the original 1978 vintage release of Mr. Mischief, and the original vintage release of Mr. Noisy from the 70s sometime from the UK. Now here's Grandfather Clock. This is originally released in 1977. From Corset and Dunlap.